Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Google Classroom and join it on ASUS Zenfone 9. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Here we want to find Google Classroom. Install it. And then open it. From here, click on Get Started, choose the account you want to use. Click on this plus button, join the class, and that way you'll be able to enter the class code, and after that you'll be able to also join the class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.